Hey, welcome all. Are
Welcome,
we all
sir.
ready to begin?
Yeah,
Maybe you
sir.
can respond in the chat. Super. Um, I guess as we proceed, more people will join. We had a brief introduction about me. Primarily, I'm excited to see the energy of the UA leads, and I'm looking forward for more sessions wherein the experience that we have from the corporate world can be shared to the young generations and the youth. They can be benefited from the experience, and that will help them to scale and grow and plan their careers. So let's start. Let's start the session. For the next one and a half hour, we will be discussing about how to win in adversities. Winning in adversities is very important, and in today's world, adversities will keep on coming. They will keep coming from all corners. So I have structured today's talk primarily into 8 points. We will begin with the executive summary, followed by contact details for those if you want to reach out to us for more details or any other questions that you have. Then we start the actual session in detail, wherein we introduce to the adversities, different type of adversities. We converge 6 type of adversities into 3, which are relevant to you all, and those will be what you face in your professional lives, what you face in health areas, as well as what you face in your personal life. Towards the end, the cream of the entire session is I will be sharing with you 7 tips for you all to enable you all to win in adversities. These 7 tips will be very useful for you throughout your life for you to succeed. In the end, I will summarize and share with you 6 points for you all to consider and I take it as a takeaway for enjoying and conquering and winning over adversities. So, with your permission, I start the session. As I mentioned, we begin with the executive summary. My dear friends, whether we like it or not, adversities is part of our lives. Problems, large and small, present themselves to us throughout our existence. We may be sharp, clever, or happy to go. We will still encounter struggle, challenges, difficulties, and sometimes heartbreaking moments. I often say to my audience, for the benefit for those who are listening me for the first time, I do a lot of international lectures, right? And what I speak about is grooming yourself, developing your personality, and also I spread awareness about organ donation and transplant opportunities for you all to give back to society. So in many of my lectures, I reach out to them and say that I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sail to always reach to my destination. That's a very important point which I want to take you all in the beginning of the lecture. That remember, you can't change the wind, but you can change the direction of the sail, which will enable you to reach your destination. Overcoming adversities is one of our main challenges in life. When we revolve or resolve to confront and overcome it, we become experts at dealing with it and consequently triumph over our day to day struggles. Learning to deal with and overcoming adversities is what builds character and resilience. Every challenge and every difficulty we successfully confront in our life serves to strengthen our will, confidence, and ability to conquer future obstacles. When you respond positively and constructively to your biggest challenges, qualities like strength, courage, character, perseverance emerge from deep inside you. Of course, since we all are humans, it is very easy to get caught up in self-pity, unfair. I mean, I am unfair. I mean, world is unfair to me, and the unfairness of life, or why me, as a trap. When we do, we fail to recognize the opportunity for wisdom and growth that accompanies with adversity. As soon as we allow ourselves to think more clearly, we are able to ignore self-defeating, unproductive thoughts and get down to business of dealing with what's before us. My advice to you all is start by doing what's necessary, then do what is possible, and suddenly you will do what is impossible. In this lecture, I have classified adversities in three types: adversities in professional life, adversities in health, adversities in personal life. I have explained each type and given real life examples to guide and inspire my audience. Then I am giving 7 tips for winning in adversities. These 7 tips, if you all understand and implement religiously, you all will have a better chance of winning over adversities. Lastly, I am sharing 6 points to consider and remember. I end the executive summary by saying, success is not measured by position that one has reached in life, but it is measured by obstacles which one has overcome in life to reach the top. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door for the opportunity. Your big opportunity may be right in the adversities you are facing. With that, I share my contacts for you all to reach out to us for more details, and then we will begin with the lecture in detail. You can reach us via our email, via our phone, website, Facebook link, YouTube link, as well as LinkedIn. So this is for you all. I encourage you all to be in touch so that we can exchange knowledge and experience and progress in life.